So this is a little gem I just found from Lidl, believe it or not. I think it was less than $20, maybe 15. Comparable boards on Amazon were at least double the price. I started taking this apart, but I have a clip here. These are my alignment settings. I put this sticky whiteboard about a few years ago, but due to all the weather extremes in the garage, it started peeling itself off. Could just be the type of paint I used. I forgot if it was semi-gloss because I do like to wash the garage sometimes with water. So I'm not going to blame this product or anything. But the board just has other features I like, such as a place for a eraser and markers, which I don't have here. So I'm just going to take this off and just put the board up. Luckily, I have been able to use my X-Acto knife to just trim along the edges and just go slowly so I don't make any more projects for myself. Inside the minimal packaging, you'll find two pieces of styrofoam, the board, the eraser, the magnets, the marker, instructions, but surprisingly, a mounting template, which is pretty nice. You don't have to guess where to drill the holes. I couldn't get it exactly centered. I'm trying to get a stud hit right here, so that way I only have to use one wall anchor. But again, it's pretty nice that they include a template. Most times they don't. So it's done. I think it looks great. It looks crooked, but that's because the vinyl tapes on the tops and side are not level. But in all fairness, I didn't get it mounted exactly level either, as touching the line. But it's close enough. Just some nerd humor. It has a marker holder, 3 magnets, and an eraser, along with a tray, which I really like. I was previously just putting it on the shelf. Now I have room for a few more too. I really like that. A few more markers that I like to use. The only con I would say is the marker it came with. If I just write something here. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. Doesn't really wipe off that cleanly. I have another eraser here, but if I use the Expo or a better marker, let's do another one here. Again, one-handed, so sorry, but it's kind of grainy. Comes right off. So I would invest in some better markers. Saves a lot of headache. And this is magnetic, so that's a nice touch. I'm very happy with it. For $15 or so, I thought this was an excellent buy. And I'm really surprised I found it at Lidl, out of all places. If there's anything else you want to see, let me know.